Alright, great morning here, and today on this episode of What Plant Is That, Paul, I'm going to talk about that really big shrub there. Do you know what it is? It is the Tecoma Orange Jubilee. So it's a South American native. It gets about 12, a little more than 12 feet, I'd say. This thing's huge. We have 2 samples. Let's go check it out. So again, South African native, hard to get to the upper 20s, and it's actually like a kind of similar to a bougainvillea in a way, I guess you could say. A big mounding, beautiful flowers all summer long. Hummingbirds love them, and the water is relatively low water usage. I would definitely call them a drought tolerant plant. In Southern California, they don't really die back in the winter. They are an evergreen. And if you can tolerate a bit of waste from all the seed litter and the flower litter, let's check out these flowers here. They're tubular, and hummingbirds love them. Really beautiful flower. And yeah, we get a ton of hummingbirds, and there's no really disease observed on this plant. It seems really resilient. And sorry, we had some rattlesnakes here, so I'm being very careful this morning. All right, there. So you can see it's a multi-branching trunk, and it just gets really, really huge. And it responds really well to pruning, and we'll get plenty of birds and bird nests inside this plant, so I try not to prune it until the fall. But Tecoma Orange Jubilee, just a beautiful plant, beautiful leaves, does really well in Southern California, and it provides a lot of shade, as you can see, and it just is awesome. So no disease or pest observed. Let's break off some flowers here. See them one more time, and you can just see why it's on the cool plant list for sure. So we have a couple other variations of Tecoma, and this one, the South American variation, is Orange Jubilee, and it's one of the taller ones. It gets really big, and it blooms seriously for like a fourth of the year. So there you go. Give us a like and a subscribe. We have plenty more videos coming your way, and if you want to get a really cool plant, get an Orange Jubilee. All right, have a great day. Bam.